Hello, everybody, and welcome. So I have my quotes, my quotes, and I know how to write them. I cannot mix the quotes, double, triple, or single. I have to start with a quote and end with the same kind of quote. I can include different quotes inside my own quote and inside like these, but they have to be different, right? It's important to know that you have a reference point to go to, which is Python doc. The documents of Python, the documentation is always like your life jacket. Alrighty. So here you can see that I have different kind of triple quotes, single and double, and it's the same. Okay, follows along the same. Okay, and this is the output is the same. Okay. The string, the data type string, it's the data type for text and for anything. So a string is just a sequence of characters together bound from one side to the other by the quotes. So if you put a quote, double or single, you put anything inside, it's a string. Numbers, characters, oh, sorry, hit the enter by mistake. Characters, right? Anything inside, even the white spaces, I'm putting white spaces. These white spaces are considered as elements, characters of that string. Even the white spaces, okay? So now, if I go here and I say print 3.14, okay, it's gonna print it. And if I say print quote 3.14, it's also printing it at the same time. But if I print, now I'm going to teach you a new fantastic built-in method or function. It's called type. If I say print type 3.14 and type quotes 3.14 and give me the sep okay, forget about that. She's giving me that this one is a float because of the decimal floating point here, and this one is a string because of the quotes. So originally, the digits, the characters inside are originally a float if they are not bound by quotes. So the quotes now removed the type float and imposed the type string. So if you have anything, any data type inside a string, it is a string data type. So if I look at the type of the data here without the quotes, it's a float. The same data, the same characters within quotes are a string. I want to ask you a question. I need a quick answer. And the first one to answer is going to get a star. Would it make any difference if I put double, triple, or single quotes? It's not a problem. The same power, the single quote, double quote, and triple quote they have. Okay? So now and again, you have to remember strings are the king or the kings. String is the king, okay? Any quotes makes anything a string. Okay. Let me just copy and paste that thing somewhere so that we can. So I have a print statement, and look at that. I mean, like even Google Colab is like giving me the answer. See, Normally, if I have the parentheses of my print statement here, my print function are going to be black, and the string inside is going to be in red. But here I have this still considered to be part of the string, because who can give me the answer? I'm going to give you a star real quick.
Well, what was the question?
What was the question? Okay. So why the
Because you use double
closing
quotes
parenthesis
inside
here is
and
still in red?
single quote.
What is your name?
Mahmoud.
Mahmoud, what do you see here?
Single quote inside and double quote inside. The other side.
Yeah, so yeah, okay, so this is not a right string. So why Python is still giving me this in red? Yes, good job, Poyraz. Thank you very much.
Because we put a space at the beginning of the quote.
No, because Python is still thinking that the string is not closed. Python is eagerly looking for a closing single quote here. If I put it, now I close it. So I have my black parenthesis back again. So the parenthesis inside the string, the right parent inside the string is considered as piece of the string. Any character, including the parenthesis, including quotes itself, anything you put between quotes, the right quotes, similar opening and closing quotes, is going to be considered 100% part of the string. It's going to be ran over by Python as a string. Finished. Okay. Thank you guys very much.